can't be deceiving the Nigerian government with an old trick again. Joe Ibokwe slams Nnamdi Kanu. In Nigeria, after the news about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrest went viral, so many Nigerians have reacted to his arrest. Not citizens alone, but other politicians are also reacting to the report. The Nigerian government has promised to do needful in order to ensure that justice prevails in the case of the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, as he is currently detained for the crisis that he has been going on in the eastern part of the country. Currently, the special advisor to the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu on water resource and drainage has reacted to what Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Mr. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, said earlier today. According to the lawyer, he opened up that the client of his, Nnamdi Kanu, is very sick and needs medical attention urgently. He made this known after meeting with his client, Joe Ibokwe, after going through the statement Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer made earlier today, reacted to it, saying that the leader of the people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, is trying to deceive Nigerian governments once again with an old trick. Joe Ibokwe said that the trick Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyer are playing is not going to work, as it's already old-fashioned and a way of playing on the intelligence of the Nigerian government. He made his statement through his Facebook page. Joe Ibokwe has always wanted the Nnamdi Kanu's arrest after the strange happenings in the southeast. Although not just him alone, as other Nigerians and politicians also want the same. After Joe Ibokwe made this statement, it triggered a lot of reactions, as many agreed to what Joe Ibokwe said, stating the IPOB leader and his lawyer are playing games, and called on the federal government not to allow such happen for security reasons. Some said that Nnamdi Kanu be allowed to receive urgent treatment abroad, as no one knows what he is passing. No problem. Let them, they should not allow him, since they said he is trying to trick them. See, if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, I'm very sure, I'm quite sure of what the end of what the end is going to be. You see all those people that have been making a noise, Joe Ibokwe and what have you, that has been noising, saying that Nnamdi Kanu is trying to use an old trick or old fashion or old story on them. They will be the one crawling and begging and pleading and saying, oh, we never knew it's true. They will be the one doing that. Someone is telling you that this man's health is deteriorating, that his heart is failing him, that he needs immediate medical checkup for him to be sound enough to face his trial. You are saying that he is trying to apply an old trick. You can see the reason why this the family of Joe Ibokwe has dejected him. You can see why they dejected him. You can see why they rejected him. You can see why they said no, that it should be dismissed, because of this attitude of his. Very irritating one. Very, very irritating one. So what are we saying? I'm talking about? What are we saying? Who are we trying to deceive? my dear viewers, I think Nigerian government has been warned enough. I think Nigerian government has been advised enough. I think they have been advised enough. A lot has happened, yet they don't want to learn from the past. They don't want to learn. What's trick? Who is trying to trick who? See, my dear viewers, this is one very ugly fact about this country, Nigeria. Nigeria is a country that is known for its deceitfulness, greed, selfish and self-centeredness. Look at the kind of people that are being crowded by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Look at. Can you please tell me, where has Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gone wrong? To just requested. He has just requested for a proper medical checkup before proceeding with the court case, of which you all know that this Nnamdi Kanu's court case is not a kid's case. It's a case that demands someone with a sound health to face. Nigeria is about to face the unbelievable. And if anything there happens to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which we are not praying for that at all, because Nnamdi Kanu is a leader that every Igbo man is striving and wanting and praying that he will be alive and make sure that he witness the actualization of the Biafran freedom, because it's already close at hand. You understand? So let us begin to see Nigeria and their kind of attitude and the way they are when it comes to realities of this kind. Well, let me hear from you from the outside and know what you have to say. If you're new, click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos.